Shit, look at that rod.
Shut the fuck up and lift it up.
Fuck. I need to tighten down the drag. There's no way.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on. No, ya se fue.
Y ya se fue.
Well, there you go, folks. Mr. Fisherman. Another random fisherman.
Fucked up.
Just fucked up.
Guys, it's my first time out here. You know, a little seasick. Nice, huh?
Hold it.
You can see right here. Oh, with me. I got you.
They snagged my shit, dog.
Fucking catching. ¿Cómo se llama esa mamada, güey?
Rock cutter, lean back.
It's one of those two.
I will fucking swallow this.
They just drop it back in here again. Porque aquí hay pescado, güey.
Oh no, I'm gonna move a little more forward. Stay in my hand.
What is he?
Rock.
No, the size, güey. Yep, fucking 24 footer.
Make it swim in the water and then there you go. No, babosa. Sí, no. No son enchiladas. Mira, no, echa. Mira. We rather fish and we swim them like this.
No son enchiladas, tío.
Soy un pendejo, Ramón. Agarro la cira, güey. Y el pescado nomás se la cira.
No, I'm cool. Let's go. You know how we do out here again. Either way. We ain't in Florida, but we're catching. That way. Now let me show you a tip. Let me give you a tip, boy. You don't want to reel it in all the way. You just want to have it like flow and extrude a little bit and come up a little bit. You know what I mean?